Subscribe, like, share. Glowing Star, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to stay updated with more enlightening content. In this video, we explore the powerful Buddhist practice of washing your face with a special type of water before sleeping. This ancient ritual, based on 7 Buddhist teachings, is believed to cleanse negative energy, promote inner peace, and enhance your spiritual well-being. Stay with us till the end to uncover these transformative teachings and how this simple practice can bring positivity and clarity into your life. Let's begin this incredible journey. Folded Hands Sparkles. Teachings 1. Mindfulness, Sati, the art of being present. Mindfulness, or Sati in Buddhism, is the practice of being fully aware and present in the moment. It encourages us to observe our thoughts, feelings, and actions without distraction or judgment. Even the simple act of washing your face before sleep can become a mindful ritual, helping you cleanse not just your skin but also your mind and emotions. When you wash your face mindfully, you are not merely performing a routine task. You are engaging in a sacred self-care practice. Feel the sensation of water on your skin, notice its temperature, and observe how it gently removes impurities accumulated throughout the day. By focusing on this process, you create a sense of calm and presence, allowing your mind to let go of stress, anxiety, and negative emotions. This practice also teaches awareness and acceptance. Just as water flows effortlessly, life constantly changes. By embracing impermanence and focusing on the present moment, you cultivate inner peace and clarity. Mindfulness helps prevent overthinking and mental clutter, preparing you for a restful night's sleep. Additionally, this simple yet powerful habit transforms an everyday routine into a meditative experience. Instead of rushing through it, take a few deep breaths and truly experience the moment. In doing so, you not only cleanse your face but also wash away worries, allowing yourself to enter a state of tranquility and renewal before sleep. Embrace mindful cleansing as a daily ritual, and witness its profound impact on your overall well-being. Folded Hands Sparkles. Teachings 2. Purification, Sati, cleansing the mind and soul. In Buddhism, purification, Sati, is a fundamental concept that goes beyond physical cleanliness. It represents the cleansing of the mind, heart, and soul from negativity and impurities. Water, a universal symbol of purity, plays a vital role in Buddhist rituals, signifying renewal and spiritual transformation. Washing your face before bed is more than just a hygiene practice, it can be a sacred act of self-purification. As you rinse your face, imagine washing away the stress, worries, and emotional burdens accumulated throughout the day. This simple act serves as a reminder that you have the power to release negativity and start fresh. Both physically and spiritually, purification in Buddhism is not just about removing dirt, but also about eliminating unwholesome thoughts, anger, jealousy, and attachments that cloud our inner peace. Just as clear water reflects light, a purified mind reflects wisdom and clarity. By incorporating mindful cleansing into your nightly routine, you align yourself with this spiritual principle, fostering a sense of lightness and tranquility before sleep. Moreover, washing your face with the intention of purification helps reinforce self-discipline and mindfulness. As you cleanse your skin, visualize letting go of toxic emotions, making space for peace and positivity. This practice prepares your mind for a restful sleep, allowing your subconscious to embrace renewal and healing. By treating this nightly ritual as an act of inner and outer purification, you invite peace, clarity, and spiritual harmony into your life. Folded Hands Sparkles. Teachings 3. Impermanence, Anicca, letting go and embracing change. Impermanence, Anicca, is one of the core teachings of Buddhism, emphasizing that nothing in life remains the same. Everything is constantly changing, our emotions, experiences, and even the challenges we face. Just as water flows without resistance, life moves forward, urging us to let go of the past and embrace the present. Washing your face before bed can serve as a symbolic reminder of impermanence. As the water touches your skin and rinses away the dirt and fatigue of the day, imagine yourself releasing stress, regrets, and negative emotions. This simple yet powerful act encourages you to accept change and free yourself from attachments to things that no longer serve you. Many of us hold on to past mistakes, disappointments, or fears, allowing them to cloud our present moment. However, by practicing mindful cleansing, we reinforce the idea that nothing is permanent, not our struggles, not our pain, not even our worries. Just like water, we must learn to flow with life rather than resist it. This nightly ritual also helps cultivate a sense of peace and renewal before sleep. Instead of carrying the burdens of the day into tomorrow, allow yourself to release them with each drop of water. Trust that every moment is a fresh start, and by embracing impermanence, you open the door to inner freedom and serenity. Let go, cleanse, and flow with life. Folded hands sparkles. Teachings 4. Compassion, karuna. Self-care as an act of kindness. In Buddhism, compassion, karuna, is the deep desire to relieve suffering, both in ourselves and in others. While we often associate compassion with helping others, it is equally important to show self-compassion. Taking care of yourself, even through simple acts like washing your face before bed, is a way to nurture both your body and mind, creating a foundation for greater kindness toward others. When you cleanse your face at night, don't see it as just a routine. Consider it an act of self-love and healing. Feel the warmth of the water, the soothing sensation of care, and the gentleness you deserve. This small yet mindful practice allows you to release stress, fatigue, and negative thoughts, offering yourself the same kindness you would give a loved one. Buddhism teaches that when you care for yourself, your heart softens, and you become more capable of showing genuine compassion to those around you. A peaceful, balanced mind is more patient, understanding, and loving. By making self-care a priority, you set a positive example and create an inner reservoir of compassion that naturally extends to others. Remember, you cannot pour from an empty cup. Treat yourself with the same warmth and gentleness that you offer to the world. Through this small, mindful ritual of cleansing, you affirm that you are worthy of care, and in doing so, you cultivate the energy to spread love and kindness to others. Folded hands sparkles. Teachings 5. Letting go, vimutti. Releasing stress and embracing freedom. Indiana Buddhism, vimutti means liberation or freedom, often associated with the ability to let go of attachments, fears, and negative emotions. Many of us carry the weight of stress, anxiety, and toxic thoughts from our daily experiences, making it difficult to find inner peace. Ritual cleansing, such as washing your face before bed, can become a symbolic act of release, helping you detach from these burdens and prepare for a restful sleep. As you rinse your face, imagine the water washing away not only the dirt and impurities but also the tensions of the day. Feel the gentle sensation of water against your skin. And as each drop flows away, visualize your worries and anxieties leaving your mind. This simple habit can serve as a nightly meditative practice, reminding you that you have the power to let go of anything that no longer serves you. Letting go does not mean ignoring or suppressing emotions, rather, it is about acknowledging them, accepting them, and choosing not to hold on to them. Just as water flows naturally without resistance, life, too, moves forward, and we must learn to do the same. By incorporating this mindful cleansing ritual, you create space for calmness, clarity, and renewal. Every night, give yourself permission to release the past, embrace the present, and enter sleep with a light heart and peaceful mind. True freedom begins when we let go. Folded hands sparkles. Teaching 6. Inner peace, samatha. Cultivating calmness for deep rest. In Buddhism, samatha refers to a state of inner peace and tranquility, achieved through mindfulness and meditation. A calm mind is essential for deep rest, yet many of us struggle with racing thoughts and stress before bed. By incorporating a simple cleansing ritual, such as washing your face, you can create a moment of stillness and relaxation, allowing yourself to unwind both physically and mentally. When you wash your face before sleep, don't rush through it. Treat it as a soothing ritual. Feel the coolness or warmth of the water, observe the rhythm of your breath, and let go of tension with each movement. This mindful approach signals to your brain that it's time to relax, shifting you away from the day's worries and into a peaceful state. water has a natural ability to restore balance. As it cleanses your skin, visualize it also washing away stress, overthinking, and restlessness. The gentle sensation of water on your face can act as a mini meditation, bringing you into the present moment and helping you transition into a restful, undisturbed sleep. A mind at peace leads to a body at ease. When you cultivate samatha through simple, mindful habits, you create a sense of harmony that extends beyond bedtime, helping you approach life with greater patience, clarity, and serenity. Embrace this nightly practice as a way to nurture your inner stillness and wake up feeling refreshed and renewed. Folded hands sparkles. Teaching 7. Gratitude, Katanuta, appreciating life through a simple ritual. In Buddhism, Katanuta, or gratitude, is a powerful virtue that transforms our perspective on life. It teaches us to appreciate what we have rather than focus on what we lack. Ending your day with a simple cleansing ritual, like washing your face, can serve as a moment of reflection and gratitude for life, health, and well-being. As you rinse your face, take a moment to feel thankful for the water that nourishes you, for the body that carries you through the day, and for the opportunity to rest and recharge. Acknowledge the small blessings that often go unnoticed: the breath you take, the experiences you had, and the lessons you learned. Even on difficult days, there is always something to be grateful for. Practicing gratitude before sleep has profound benefits. It shifts your mind away from stress and negativity, replacing it with contentment and inner peace. Studies show that a grateful heart promotes better sleep, reduces anxiety, and enhances overall well-being. Instead of letting the day's worries linger, let gratitude be the last thought in your mind before rest. This habit creates a cycle of positivity, where appreciation leads to joy, and joy attracts more reasons to be thankful. By making this nightly ritual a practice of gratitude and self-care, you awaken each morning with a heart full of peace, happiness, and renewal. Folded hands sparkles. Conclusion: incorporating the simple act of washing your face before sleep with mindfulness and intention can transform your nightly routine into a powerful spiritual practice. Rooted in 7 Buddhist teachings, this ritual helps cleanse not just your skin but also your mind and soul, promoting peace, gratitude, and inner balance. By embracing mindfulness, purification, impermanence, compassion, letting go, inner peace, and gratitude, you create a pathway to better sleep and a more harmonious life. Let this small yet meaningful habit remind you to release negativity, embrace the present, and wake up refreshed, ready to live with clarity and serenity. Folded hands sparkles.